Hello world, this is our first tutorial about HTML, and here we will start from the very basic and then slowly proceed to the advanced level. HTML is the short form of hypertext markup language, and then once you have learned this, you can be able to create a website, become a web designer, understand the web, learn other languages. HTML CSS design must have talent if you want to pursue a career as a professional and web designer. And if you want to improve speed and performance of your website, you need to be familiar with HTML and other languages like HTML. You will find the other related technologies like JavaScript, PHP, and Angular become much easier to grasp. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic things like heading tags, paragraph tags, line breaks, centering content, horizontal lines, non-break spaces. So let's start. We have created a file named tutorial.html. You need to create here, and then here I'll start from the documents. So first of all, we have 6 types of headings: heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's start from the first one, heading 1. This is our first heading. Heading 2, this is our second heading. Heading 3, this is our third heading. Fourth, this is our fourth heading. Fifth, this is our fifth heading. Sixth, this is number 6 heading. Save it the changes and let's see how it looks like. This is our first heading, H1. This is our second, this is our third, fourth, fifth, and 5th. Let me more clear for you. This is our first heading, H1. Second heading, H2. Third heading, H3. Fourth heading, H4. Fifth heading, H5. And sixth heading is here, H6. This is the sixth. This look like this. Now you can see first heading H1, H2, H3, and H6. This is H5. Now you can see this is. Second, our topic is paragraph. So let's go see the paragraph. It's indicate the sign P. This is starting and this is the closing tag. P and forward slash is the closing tag. We can say this is our first paragraph in this tutorial. Starting tag P, this is the second paragraph, and this is the third paragraph. So P indicates paragraph. Let's see how it looks like. This is paragraph. These 6 are headings. Okay, this is the paragraph. This is our first paragraph, second paragraph, and now we can apply these headings in the paragraph. Like, for example, I will say heading 1, as we have learned. Heading 1, this is, you can say paragraph 1 or heading like this, heading. Okay, now see, you can see this is heading. Now you can write the second paragraph heading H2, second paragraph heading this is, and same on. Our next topic is line break tags. Line break tags, for example, here we write something in a paragraph like P, like this. For example, this topic is related to line break. So if you want to break the line and to HTML, so we will use BR tag. For example, if we break like this, here we have press the enter button and break the paragraph. So see how it look like. This topic is related to the line break. It doesn't work here. We have used a tag here for a special tag for line break paragraph. So like this, when we use BR space /, now you can see this topic is related to a line break. For example, we can take a short form lorem, 20 words lorem. This is our paragraph. So we want to break the line after this count. We will write BR / this. Now see, this is the line break. Very simple. Here is when we employ the BR elements, everything after it begins on the next line. This tag is an example of empty elements which doesn't require opening or closing tag because there is nothing between them. There is a gap between the letters BR and the / is BR tag. The forward tag is very necessary to use it. Please do not ignore this tag. If we leave the space out, older browser will have problems. Older browser, the previous, not in the updated versions, it will have a problem when a person use a BR tag in HTML, so sometimes it doesn't work there. So we will have a problem and line break. If you leave out the / and just BR, it will be invalid in XHTML. Our next topic is center contents. So let's see how it works. I have written so many paragraphs before this, like here paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like but it is in the same line. We need a paragraph or a sentence in this area, in the center. So how it works? A tag used for it is center. Now write a paragraph. We will simply take from lorem 10 words of lorem ipsum. Now you can see it's very simple in the center line. This is called centering contents or centering sentence, whatever you call it. This is in center. When we remove this center tag, now you can see it's in the same position like the others. So we use the center like this. This is again in the center paragraph. Our next topic is horizontal line. So how it will work? For example, if I want to break the section or these documents, like if I use this slashes and the dash is like this, and this paragraph, this, for example, these are two paragraphs and I want to make it into a document or a section. So how it's seen, this is no changes, this is not good, it creates dot dot dot. So we need a line. So how we use it? For example, I have write a paragraph. First of all, p tag, starting and breaking paragraph, lorem. This is the short form, 30 words is this time we use. So we need a line. We need a line in between these two in this paragraph, and we want to show this. The first one is the top and the second in the bottom of the line. So simply we use hr tag like this, hr forward tag. Now you can see this is the line. This break the paragraph or make it a portion or a document. This is the upper side and this is the lower, and in between the hr tags it works. If we remove this, now you can see how it look like. It's a simple paragraph, no section, no documentations, no portions. So simply we use hr dash, and now you can see this is very simple. So here is the horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are used to divide portion of a document's visually. The hr tags produces line from the current document's position and break it accordingly. For example, here we have some example. Horizontal line, this is the paragraph of horizontal line, and this is the paragraph should at the bottom, and simply we use the hr tag. This is a very simple form, but it needs when we write documents or make sections. Our next topic is non-breaking spaces. Actually, non-breaking spaces uses where we do not want to break sentences or breaking words. Like let's say you want to utilize the phrases two angry birds in a sentence, like you don't want the two angry and birds to divide across the two lines. In this case, instead of standard spaces mean like a press a space button, and so when the browser splits, so that word will break, but we don't want to break that words in a browser as, so we use this tag and BSP semicolon when don't want to the client, the browser, to break the text. When the coding two angry bird in a paragraph, for example, you should use something like this. This is the coding. I have write this coding and will implement there practically to show you how it works, but you can download these contents or this below in the descriptions. The link is available, so you can download all these things. So now we can use the non-break element. For example, we Again, we will take up P like this. This is the paragraph. This is the paragraph for the non-breaking spaces. For example, two cats in one ball, like this. Just like a phrase, just for example. Suppose you can write anything like this. So I have write this. Okay, this is the space here, it's shown, but when the browser break, it will break it as well. But we don't want to break these things. We don't want to break when the browser link break, and it will show connected like this. For example, if I use n nb, this one here, like nb sp, and there nbsp, like this. You can write, this is a spaces, constant space between. So it's a very simple way to non-breaking spaces. The phrases will not break it through this way. It just created a spaces, but the word will be shown same in the sentences or in the paragraphs. Even the browser break, but the text will not show break to them. These all are the very basic but necessary tags used in HTML. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.